Sound surrounds us everywhere we go. But what if sound isn't just something we hear? What if it's a force that can move matter, heal the body, and reshape the future of technology? What if sound could defy gravity, heal the body, and build the future? This is the world of acoustic science, where invisible waves of vibration reveal one of nature's most extraordinary powers. It's a field that challenges our understanding of what sound can do, transforming it from something we merely hear into a tangible, powerful tool that can shape the physical world around us. Scientists call one of its most stunning applications acoustic levitation, a process that uses focused sound waves to suspend objects in midair. Tiny speakers, or transducers, generate precise, high-intensity frequencies. These sound waves travel through the air, collide, and interfere with each other to form standing waves, stable pockets of pressure with nodes of near-total stillness. No magnets, no strings, just pure sound pressure holding matter against gravity. Within these invisible cages of sound, objects are trapped at the nodes, held aloft by a force that is completely invisible and contactless. Water droplets, plastic beads, electronic components, even small insects can hover silently, manipulated without any physical touch. For centuries, we thought sound was limited to our ears, a passive medium for communication and art. Now we know it can actively shape the physical world itself. This is the hidden power of sound waves, and what we are witnessing is only the beginning of a technological revolution. In the controlled environment of the lab, scientists are unlocking the secrets of acoustic levitation. The process begins with an array of tiny speakers, or transducers, arranged in a precise grid. These aren't designed for music, but for generating highly focused ultrasonic frequencies, sound waves pitched far beyond the range of human hearing. When activated, they emit carefully calibrated waves that travel through the air, creating an intricate, invisible architecture of pressure. As these waves propagate and reflect, they interfere with one another, forming what are known as standing waves. Unlike a typical sound wave that travels outwards, a standing wave appears to vibrate in place. This creates stable pockets of low and high pressure in the air. At specific points called nodes, the pressure is minimal, creating a point of equilibrium. It is here, in these pockets of stillness, that the magic happens. Small objects, from water droplets and plastic beads to even delicate insects, can be trapped, hovering silently as if frozen in time, held aloft by nothing more than an invisible cage of sound. To visualize this phenomenon, researchers use advanced techniques like Schleyer imaging, which reveals subtle changes in air density. What we see is a stunning geometric pattern of pressure fields, the very structure that cradles the levitating object. By carefully adjusting the frequency and phase of the transducers, scientists can manipulate this acoustic field with incredible precision. They can rotate the trapped object, move it from one point to another, or combine multiple droplets without any physical contact, opening up new frontiers in contactless handling for science and manufacturing. But the real revolution is happening inside the human body, where the invisible power of sound is being harnessed for medicine in ways that were once the stuff of science fiction. This new frontier moves beyond simple imaging, transforming sound into a powerful, non-invasive therapeutic tool. We're entering an era where scalpels may no longer be made of steel, but of precisely controlled vibrations. Doctors are using ultrasound, a form of high-frequency sound, far beyond the range of human hearing, to move, repair, and even destroy tissue without a single incision. This technique, known as focused ultrasound, concentrates acoustic energy with pinpoint accuracy. Much like a magnifying glass, focuses sunlight. The waves pass harmlessly through skin and bone, delivering their payload of energy only at the intended focal point. From breaking kidney stones into harmless dust that the body can naturally pass, to targeting and ablating cancerous tumors with thermal energy, focused sound waves are becoming scalpels made of vibration. This method offers a profound advantage. It can treat deep-seated conditions while leaving surrounding healthy tissue completely untouched, dramatically reducing recovery times and the risk of complications. But the applications don't stop at destruction. Researchers are now exploring how to use lower-intensity ultrasound to stimulate the body's own healing mechanisms. These gentle acoustic pulses can encourage tissue regeneration, accelerate bone repair, and even temporarily open the blood-brain barrier, allowing therapeutic drugs to reach previously inaccessible areas of the brain to treat diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. The procedure is guided in real time by magnetic resonance imaging, or MRI, giving doctors a clear view and thermal map to ensure the treatment is delivered exactly where it's needed. It's a symphony of waves and magnets working in concert to heal from within. This convergence of sound, imaging, and medicine promises a future where major surgeries are replaced by outpatient procedures, offering hope and healing with the gentle yet powerful force of sound. Engineers are exploring how sound can assemble delicate materials or control liquid droplets during production. Imagine factories where sound replaces physical tools, building microchips, sensors, or medicines with pure vibration. And beyond Earth, acoustic technology is being tested for space exploration. In microgravity, sound can precisely move fluids and materials, making it essential for future off-world manufacturing. From hospitals to spacecraft, sound is emerging as one of the most versatile forces in science. It can lift, heal, destroy, and build, all through invisible vibrations that travel through the air around us. For centuries, we thought sound was limited to our ears. Now we know it's capable of shaping the physical world itself. This is the hidden power of sound waves, and it's only the beginning. Subscribe for more groundbreaking science and inventions, only on Invention Chronicles and Science.